everyone. We are starting a brand new module today. We're going to start module 2, which will cover time measurement and other problem solving times. Let's get started. We are on module 2, lesson 1. We are going to use a stopwatch to measure time today. Let's start and count by 5 minutes on the clock. It starts at 2 o'clock, 2:05, 2:10, 2:15. 2:20, 2:25, 2:30, 2:35, 2:40, 2:45, 2:50, 2:55, and look, it's almost 3 o'clock. I'll show a time on the clock. Write the time on your board. Go. The time is 11:10. Let's write the time on the board. Go. Now show me. What time is it? It is 6:30. Some of you may have thought 7:30, but notice the hour hand is not yet on the 7. Write the time on your board or your piece of paper. Now show me. What time is it? 8:20. Write the time on your board. Remember, you should be pausing the video to give yourself enough time to write in between the questions. Now, show me. What time is it? It is 5:40. There are 68 minutes in 1 hour. Let's count by 5 minutes to 1 hour. Ready? Let's go. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 35 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 50 minutes, 55 minutes, 1 hour. Now, how many minutes are in a half hour? 30 minutes. Let's count by 5 minutes to 1 hour again. This time, say half hour when you get to 30 minutes. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 50 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, half hour, 35 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 50 minutes, 55 minutes, 1 hour. This time we are going to count by 10 minutes to 1 hour. 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, half hour. 40 minutes, 50 minutes, 60 minutes, 1 hour. How many minutes are in a half hour again? 30 minutes. So let's count by 3s to the half hour. 3 minutes, 6 minutes, 9 minutes, 12 minutes, 15 minutes, 18 minutes, 21 minutes, 24 minutes, 27 minutes, half hour. Let's count by 7s to 28. This is a new one and very tough. If you got your new multiplication chart in your skills packet, you can use it to help you. Ready? Let's go. Wiggle it out. Bring it close. Let's count by 7s to 28 and go. 7, 14, 21, 28. That wasn't so bad. Let's bring it down. 28, 21, 14, 7, 0. Good job. Now let's count by 8s to 32. Let's get started. Wiggle it out. Bring it close. Count by 8s to 32 and go. 8, 16, 24, 32. Again, not that bad. Let's keep it going. Bring it down. 32, 24, 16, 8, 0. Last one. And this is my favorite one to skip count by. Let's count by 9s to 36. Ready? Wiggle it out. Bring it close. Count by 9s to 36 and 9, 18, 24, 36. Bring it down. 36, 24, 18, 9, and 0. Great job. Let's keep going to our application problem. Miss Boyer helps her kindergartners tie their shoes. It takes her 5 seconds to tie 1 shoe. How many seconds does it take Miss Boyer to tie 8 shoes? What do we know? And what is the question? I know that there are 8 groups. 5 seconds is the size of each group. What I do not know is the total amount of time it took. Let's think, the size of the group is 5 seconds. Let's look at this tape diagram. It shows that we have 8 groups of 5 and an unknown number of total seconds. Let's take this tape diagram and write a number sentence to solve. There are 8 groups of 5, and so I can write 8 times 5 equals 40. Now, let's write a word sentence to answer the question. It takes Miss Bauer 40 seconds to tie 8 shoes. Now, it's time to talk about time. It takes Miss Bauer 5 seconds to tie 1 shoe. Let's see how long 1 second is. Now, we're going to use a virtual stopwatch today. Now, this was a little bit of a hard video to find. It was the fastest video on YouTube. That's it. That is 1 second. Let's do again in case you missed it. It's not a very long time. Now, let's see how long 5 seconds takes. That's that. It's such a short amount of time that we could do it twice before we moved on. Seconds are a unit of time. They're smaller than minutes, so we can use them to measure short amounts of time. What are other things we might measure using seconds? Time is continuous. Continuous means time does not stop, but is always moving forward. We just use stopwatches, whether virtual or in person, and clocks to measure its movement. I look at the clock and I notice a few minutes have passed since we began talking about this. Minutes are longer than seconds. Let's find out what the length of a minute feels like. That was a quick minute. And we're going to watch another minute video. And I want you to think about which minute feels like it's going faster, the previous minute or the next minute. How long a minute feels can change depending on what we're doing, but the measurement always stays the same. What are some other things that we might use to measure? We can use the stopwatch to start measuring how many minutes it takes to go dark outside. Will it take a long time? Should I keep measuring? Should we always sit here and listen to this YouTube video and wait for it to get dark? No, we shouldn't. It would take too long. Imagine I measured how long it takes all the students in this room to turn 12 years old. Is a stopwatch good for measuring such a long amount of time? No. Time keeps going and going, and stopwatches capture just a few seconds or minutes of it along the way. Now it's time for your problem set. In your problem set, you'll have many Google Slides that will help you experience time. You'll need to be doing some experiments while you do so. Let's get started. When you are done, you can go on to your exit ticket on Edulastic. Remember, Edulastic is very important for your grades and attendance. Talk to you tomorrow. So excited for our new module. Bye!